Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I clean my face right after wearing makeup, and this is pretty much a simple skincare routine. And as you all can see, I'm starting off by cleaning my hands because I will be touching my face. So I am going to start by using coconut oil to break up the makeup. I have found that coconut oil breaks up makeup pretty easily, and that's why I'm going ahead and starting off with that. As you all can see, I try to make sure that I am super thorough when I am using this coconut oil to break up all of the makeup, making sure I get my eyebrows, making sure I get my eyelids, and everything else, because I have found that makeup can really stick on your skin for a long time if you're not removing it properly, and you all will see that throughout this video. Now I'm just removing the makeup that is on my hands so that I can go ahead in with my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes to go ahead and start removing the makeup. Now I am going to use this eye makeup remover. It is very gentle on the eyes, and that is why I prefer to use it. And it doesn't have any oils in it, but it is so smooth on the skin and it is not harsh at all, which is why I really love it. I make sure I pull down my cheek a little bit to make sure I get that eyeliner off and also get some of the mascara off, because I have found that those black lines can be really harsh up under the eye sometimes. And then I go back in with my second wipe, and as you all will see, I still had makeup on my face. So you just want to make sure that you are carefully and thoroughly removing the makeup from your face. So now I am going to throw some water on my face. I actually prefer to do my skincare routine in the shower because I can just let the water just run down my face and it's not messy. But I am just making sure my face is soaking wet before I go in with my cleanser. So I have been using Dr. Bronner's to cleanse my face for a while now. However, I have to continue to test it out to see if it's continuing to work for me, because I am no longer taking an oral contraceptive. I have decided to use different contraceptives, and if you all don't know this by now, but certain contraceptives that women use can help with acne. And yeah, so that's what I'm going through right now, which is why I have a few bumps on the sides of my face and also on my forehead. So we will be analyzing this Dr. Bronner's to see if it's working or not. But after I smooth it in on my face with my hands, I'm going in with my facial spin brush to exfoliate. After I wear makeup, I always exfoliate my skin because, as you all will see by this dirty brush at the end of this clip, is that the makeup is still there.
I don't wanna text you that, no. Even though it's over now, I thought that I'd be stressed out, but I've been doing just fine. So please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that.
And here it goes. It is truly brown, but I like to go ahead and clean my spin brush after I use it. It just makes it easier, and I use Dr. Bronner's to clean the brush as well. And then I go ahead and rinse my face, and I thoroughly rinse my face, so you will see me throwing water up there a few times. Like I said, this is much easier in the shower because you can just let the water just run down your face if you have your hair tied up properly. And yeah.
Maybe you're the one who can't move past this.
And I like to pat my face dry with a paper towel because this is also a sign to let me know whether or not I got all of the makeup off. And it looks like I did this time, but if I didn't, I would go back with a little bit more makeup remover or whatever I need to make sure I have gotten all of the makeup off. And yeah, just make sure you get the eyes, make sure the black stuff is gone.
Even though it's over now, I thought that I'd be stressed out, but I've been doing just fine.
And to tone my face, I will be using witch hazel. I have been using witch hazel since probably middle school. It is a good toner for me, and I don't see it leaving my routine, or I don't see myself not buying it anytime soon. So yeah, I love witch hazel to tone my face.
Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand. Just because you're sorry, just because.
And while I let that witch hazel set in, of course I get on my phone, check my notifications. As you all can see, I had quite a few there. And then once I feel like it is dry, I will go in with my moisturizer. I have been using this homemade natural butter for a while now for my face, to moisturize my face. You can use whatever moisturizer you like, just do it based on, I guess, your skin. I don't have oily skin, so this is fine for me to go to bed kind of oily. And I don't really have dry skin. I pretty much have normal skin in terms of dryness and oiliness. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this skincare routine. I will see you all in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.